there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel that saves you from making dumb purchases. Today, we're soaring to new heights with a drone showdown between two buzzing contenders, the SYMA Drone and the DROCON Drone. Buckle up and let's get ready to rumble. On the left, we have the SYMA Drone, priced at a wallet-friendly $99. On the right, the DROCON Drone, slightly pricier at $109. That's a $10 difference, folks. You could either buy a SYMA Drone or a SYMA Drone and a really cheap sandwich. Decisions. SYMA comes equipped with a 1080p HD camera and FPV real-time Wi-Fi transmission. DROCON also flaunts a 1080p HD camera with a 90-degree adjustable lens. So both are ready to capture your embarrassing drone crashes in stunning detail. But DROCON gives you that manual tilt, perfect for those who want to get artsy with their shots or just need a better angle to spy on their neighbors. Reviewers appreciate SYMA's high-quality camera capabilities, while DROCON's adjustable lens is a big hit among users looking for versatility. SYMA lets you control the drone via a remote or their fancy SYMA app. Draw your flight path like a toddler with a crayon and watch it go. DROCON, on the other hand, offers more control options than a Swiss Army knife. Voice control, gesture recognition, gravity sensing, and even 360-degree flips. DROCON is like the Swiss Army knife of drones, but without the risk of cutting yourself. Reviewers love the ease of use and simple instructions of the SYMA, while DROCON's multiple control options are praised for making it fun and easy to use. SYMA boasts advanced optical flow positioning for stable hovering. DROCON matches up with altitude hold and headless mode. Both are stable, but SYMA sounds like it's trying to impress your physics teacher, while DROCON just wants you to have fun without crashing into trees. It's like comparing a librarian to a party planner. Both have their perks. Reviewers find SYMA's stability features very reliable, while DROCON's stability and fun features are well received by users looking for a balanced experience. SYMA offers up to 40 minutes of flight time with two powerful batteries. DROCON provides up to 24 minutes of flight time, so if you're planning to film a full-length drone movie, SYMA's got your back. But hey, DROCON still got enough juice for an epic drone chase scene. Reviewers generally find SYMA's battery life impressive for its price, while DROCON's dual batteries are appreciated for continuous use. SYMA is user-friendly and comes with propeller guards, but DROCON takes it up a notch with a foldable design and a weight under 249 grams. Plus, it comes with its own suitcase. DROCON is like the Marie Kondo of drones, compact, portable, and ready to spark joy wherever you go. Reviewers love SYMA's durability and ease of use, while DROCON's portability and compact design are big hits among users. SYMA's great, but DROCON offers a 365-day warranty and promises to solve your problems within 12 hours. It's like having a drone therapist on speed dial. So if your drone crashes, DROCON's got you covered, and you won't have to cry alone in a corner. Reviewers appreciate SYMA's robust build, but DROCON's after-sales support and warranty are highly praised for giving peace of mind. Reviewers generally find SYMA to be a great entry-level drone with robust features and good battery life, making it ideal for beginners and kids. DROCON is praised for its feature-packed design and excellent after-sales support, making it a versatile choice for those seeking more control options and portability. So smart shoppers, who wins this drone duel? Is it the budget-friendly, long-flying SYMA, or the feature-packed, portable DROCON? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, whether you're a newbie or a pro, the best drone is the one that doesn't end up stuck in a tree. Thanks for joining us on Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another epic showdown. Until next time, happy flying and buy smart. Product links are in the description.